Okay, it says for which of the functions the limit as x approaching 4 not exist, or x approaching 4 exists. Okay, if I get close to x equal 4 from the right, the y coordinate will be very, very close to what appears to be 3. So for this problem, the limit as x approaches x equal 4 from the right, the value of that limit is 3. As x approaches 4 from the left, as x approaches 4 from the left, the y coordinate will be the green dot, which is also very, very close to 3. So the left and right limits are the same, therefore the overall limit is 3. The only way for the two-sided limit to have a value is if the left and right limits are the same. Otherwise, the two-sided limit does not exist. You want me to talk more about that? Please.
What about the, I guess, filled in dot?
Up here.
Would you take that into account?
So that doesn't, everybody, the filled in dot does nothing as far as finding the limit at all. It's not involved in finding the limit, period. But, Maria, where you'll see questions on the test that might involve the dot is if they asked you, they could say, what's f of 4 for this particular graph? So f of 4, I look at the filled in dot because that's right at x equals 4, and that value would be 4. So that's the purpose of the dot. Does that make sense? The other kind of question they can ask you, 2 points for Maria. The other type of question they can ask you is the function continuous at x equal 4? It's not. It's a removable discontinuity. And mathematically, what's causing the function to not be continuous is the fact that the limit from the left equals the limit from the right. It's this again. But the value in the middle is different. Okay, here, the limit from the left and the limit from the right. So if I do this one, the limit from the left as x approaches 4. I'd be right here. That's really close to a y value of 4. The limit from the right is also very close to a y value of 4. So this limit also exists because the left and right limits are the same. This one, if you type f of 4, the value is undefined. There is no y coordinate when x is equal to 4. So the overall limit is also 4. Question? Please.
Number 2 is a removable.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a removable discontinuity. This is also a removable discontinuity.
That one's a jump.
This one is a jump. 2 points for Daisy. Somebody else? Cool. The last one, if you try the left and right limits, they will not match. The limit from the left, as x gets close to 4, would equal 4. The limit from the right, as x gets close to 4, is equal to 2. Therefore, the overall limit is non-existent. F of 4 in this particular case is 4. Follow up from anybody? Please.
Can we do 18?
Uh-huh.